Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus and multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -8, B is 1, C is 27 and D is 72. So let's see after solving which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see here we have to discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication. Yeah, either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, the root is same for both. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But we do not have any bracket. So we have to solve the exponent part of order of operation. So we will solve this one. So we have to go, we will solve one by one each exponent. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exponent part. So first we have to solve this one, which is 3 raised to power 2, which is 3 multiplied by 3. It becomes 9 divided by another part. Right now we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now move forward. We have to solve step number again 2 because we have again exponent part. So we will write 9 divided by 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. And again we have to give the other part as it is. And we will give the reference here like 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now again we have third part which is also in power. So we will solve this one. 9 divided by 9 multiplied by again 3 raised to power 2 means 9 and divided by 3 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference. This becomes again 9. Now we have again 3 raised to power 2. So we will write this one 9 divided by 9 multiplied by 9 and divided by 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3 which is equals to 9 minus and 3 raised to power 2 again we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference of 9. Then we have another 3 raised to power 2 which is last one. So we will write 9 divided by 9 multiplied by 9 then divided by 9 minus 3 raised to power 2 means 9 again 9. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. So we have solved exponent part in this. Now we have to see the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have this division which is 9 divided by 9. So it becomes 1 multiplied by 9 and again divided by 9 minus 9. Then we have to give the reference. So here we have to give the reference which is 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. Now we have solved this part. Now we have to go for, again, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. So now we have this multiplication, which is 9 1 the 9. So we will multiply both of them and divided by 9, we will write as it is, minus 9, we will write again as it is. And here we have to give the reference 9 divided by, multiply by 9, 1 multiplied by 9 equals to 9. Now we have solved the multiplication. Now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming. Now we have this division, which is 9 divided by 9. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 1. Minus 9 we will write as it is, and here we have to give the reference 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. And here we have to have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is minus 8. So the answer of the given expression is minus 8. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression, which is given expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using correct rules and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.